In this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this industrial endoscope that I got off of Amazon. Originally got this to work on a automotive project, and I got to say this is a really great gadget to have in those kind of cases. So let's see what's inside the box. So basically you have everything you need here. This is the actual unit. This is the endoscope, and you can see here on this end it has a USB Type-C connection. So this will connect to any kind of cell phone or Android device with that connection. But there's also a few more accessories here in this bag. I'll show you what these are. So here is an adapter. So this is what you can use to connect it to an iPhone, for example. So basically you just attach it to the end of the USB-C like that. And then here's my iPhone. So I can just connect my iPhone to it just like that. So really simple. Nice to have that little accessory. And then in here you get a few more things. Okay, this first one, it's got a little magnet on the end of it, so if you were to drop a bolt or have something that's in a tight to reach spot, you can use that little magnet to get that object out of there. Then they also have one here, it's got a little mirror on the end of it, so you can put this down in a tight spot and you can get a better angle if you're needing visual inspection to the side. And then we got a little hook, so you can maybe grab something that's stuck somewhere with a little hook on the end of it. And then you got one extra little piece that's just a protector for the tip of the camera. So let's put this together and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have your phone, and you can scan the QR code that's in the instruction work, or you can also scan the code that's attached to the actual cable itself. So we'll go ahead and do that and download the application. Okay, so now we have that downloaded, so now we can connect the endoscope to our phone. Okay, so now I have it hooked up to my phone, and here's an example of the quality. So here we are, we got it to where I can actually read the paperwork on my phone. So really good picture quality. So I can also show you this hooked up to an iPad, so let me do that real quick. Okay, and then here it is hooked up to my iPad. So here you have an even bigger screen, so when you're using your scope you can have a much better picture of what you're working on. So I really like that. Okay, so I'll give you guys a quick demo. I have it hooked up to my iPad here, and I've got the light on the end of the endoscope working. And so as you can see, you can put this into really tight spaces that you need to do an inspection on, or if it's a hard to find bolt, you can use it to find it like that. So overall, I think this is a really cool gadget, and I think you'll get a lot of good use out of it.